Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting down to business with ClickUp. Specifically, we're going to learn how to leverage this platform for client relationship management. So let's jump right in. Our first step is to set up a new space exclusively for client management. This helps us because it keeps all client-related tasks and information in one dedicated area. Now, go to your ClickUp dashboard and click on the Add New button. Then select Space. Name it something like Client Management and customize it to your liking. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step, creating client profiles. The reason we do this is to track individual client data and interactions. Click on the Add New button again, but this time select Folder. Within this folder, you'll create a list for each client. Remember to fill in as much information as possible. The more you know about your clients, the better you can serve them. Next up, we'll set up task templates for common client interactions. This helps us because it standardizes and streamlines our processes. To do this, click on the Templates button and select Task Templates. Create templates for things like initial consultation, follow-ups, or closing. Don't forget to customize the template with relevant fields and checklists. Now let's explain why this matters. It's all about efficiency and consistency. With these templates, you ensure that every client experiences the same thorough, high-quality service, regardless of who handles their account. Lastly, we're going to use ClickUp's automation feature. This is a game changer, folks. It allows us to automate routine tasks, like sending follow-up emails or reminders. Go to your client management space, select Automations, and set up a few. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is now your personal assistant, handling routine tasks so you can focus on building strong relationships with your clients. And there you have it. That's how you use ClickUp for client relationship management. This platform is powerful and versatile, but remember, it's just a tool. It's how you use it that truly makes the difference in managing your client relationships effectively. Now go forth and conquer your client management tasks with ClickUp.